PHP Magic Methods Lesson 6, the magic get and set methods. So first we're going to denote the magic get method using the double underscore. The magic get method accepts one parameter, property. All we're going to do is var dump it. Then we're going to new up a new instance of our organization class. And, spelled that wrong. Organization. And then we're simply going to try to access a property that does not exist. This is how we call our magic get method. So then if we call this, it will var dump the property name. Now, if we were to add the property name as a public property on the class, and we'll just set it to simplified, then it will automatically get the property because it exists. We'll never hit the magic get method. Now, if we want to just call it, we won't get anything. But if we echo it out, then we get simplified. So that's the magic get method. Now, if we change it to protected, then we do not have access to it outside. So we'll hit our magic get method. Within our magic get method, we're going to say, okay, if this property exists on the given class, then return this property. Else, we're going to throw, or let's just var dump, the given property does not exist. And so we'll just say property, and then whatever the property is we're trying to access does not exist. Okay. Now, after that, we'll try this again. And it works. So that is the magic get method. And before we move on to the magic set method, we're going to do some quick refactoring. Okay, so now we throw a new error if we try to call a property that does not exist. So, for example, if we try to call the email property, it will throw this error. Property email does not exist. This is where the magic set method comes in. So first we're going to say, okay, public function set, and the magic set method accepts two arguments, property and value. And then we're just going to say, hey, let's clear this out and let's var dump the property and value. Okay. Now that that's set up, let's scroll back down and let's say this email, and we'll get rid of all the rest right now, but this email equals simplified at example.com. What happens? Well, we get email simplified at example.com. So that's how that works. Now, if we set this property to the given value, then it will automatically add the email property as public onto our instance. So below that, we can now say echo simplified email. And if we rerun this, it'll work. Simplified at example.com. So now we have the get and the set method. And so we can set any property and we can get any property. So let's just remove the name property and we'll set the name using the magic get and set methods. So the name equals simplified, and then we'll echo a combination of our email and name properties. Simplified name, email address. Simplified's email address is this email address. Once we have that set up, we'll remove the echo simplified and we'll retest. And success, it works. Simplified email address, simplified at example.com. That is the magic get and set method in a nutshell within the scope of PHP.